Hello everyone, welcome my channel. Today's topic packed cell balloon. What is packed cell balloon? Packed cell balloon is a amount of RBC in percentage of total blood volume. Amount of RBC in percentage of total blood volume. Amount of RBC in percentage of total blood volume. Yeah, another volume of RBC packed at a bottom of hematocrit tube when the blood is centrifuged. When the blood is centrifuged. Volume of RBC packed at a bottom of hematocrit tube. Volume of RBC packed at a hematocrit tube when blood is centrifuged. When the blood is centrifuged. Amount of RBC in percentage of total blood volume. Yeah, another way, volume of RBC packed at a bottom of hematocrit tube when the blood is centrifuged. Method of determination. How to determine a packed cell balloon? Method of determination. Method of determination. How to determine packed cell balloon? Blood is mixed. Blood is mixed with anticoagulant. Blood is mixed with anticoagulant, either heparin या EDTA. After mixing of blood with anticoagulant, either heparin and EDTA, is filled in hematocrit tube या Bentro tube. Bentro tube length 110 mm and bore 3 mm. And speed of centrifuge and speed of centrifuge of 3000 revolution per minute RP for 30 minutes. How to determine a packed cell balloon? Method of determination. Blood is mixed with anticoagulant, either heparin या EDTA. Bentro tube length 110 mm and bore 3 mm and speed of centrifuge of 3000 revolution per minute for 30 minutes. Blood is after mixing of anticoagulant in Bentro tube and centrifuge, and draw the Bentro tube diagram. is ventral tube. After centrifuge, his blood RBC is packed at a bottom. RBC is packed at a bottom. RBC is packed at a bottom about 45%. About 45%, and in middle, this is WBC, about 2 to 3%, and above is plasma. Above is plasma, about 50 to 53%. This is ventral tube. Please note, and after that. Determination of PCB helps to. Determination of PCB helps to. Another heading: determination of PCB helps in. What is it? Means what is it in PCB? What is it? PCB. Diagnosis and treatment of anemia and polycythemia. First condition, treatment of diagnosis. First diagnosis and treatment of anemia and polycythemia. And second, decision of blood transfusion. Decision of blood transfusion. And third is determination of extent of dehydration. Determination of extent of dehydration and recovery of dehydration after treatment. Determination of PCB helps in diagnosis and treatment of anemia and polycythemia, decision of blood transfusion, and third is determination of extent of dehydration and recovery of dehydration after treatment. Please note. Now another heading, which condition PCB increase या PCB decrease. PCB decreases in condition. PCB decreases in condition. First, anemia. Anemia condition, PCB values decrease. Second, liver cirrhosis. Third, pregnancy. Fourth condition, bleeding due to ectopic pregnancy. Bleeding due to ectopic pregnancy. bleeding due to ectopic pregnancy. What is ectopic pregnancy? Ectopic pregnancy, in this condition, implantation of fertilized ovum attached attached other than uterine wall tissue. Implantation of fertilized ovum attached other than uterine wall tissue. And PCB increases in condition. PCB increases in condition polycythemia. First is polycythemia. In this condition, RBC increases. Number of RBC increases. Second, dehydration. And third is dengue shock syndrome. Dengue shock syndrome. Dengue shock syndrome. Please note. Now we talk about blood indices. Blood indices. What is blood indices? What is blood indices? Blood indices on the calculation derived from RBC count and hemoglobin content या PCB. Blood indices of the calculation. Blood indices is the calculation derived from blood indices is the calculation derived from RBC count, hemoglobin content and PCB. What is blood indices? Blood indices is the calculation derived from RBC count, hemoglobin content and PCB. Please note. Blood indices help in diagnosis type of anemia. Blood indices, another point. Blood indices helps in diagnosis of types of anemia. Different type of blood indices. MCB, MCH and MCSC and CI. And then ready? Different type of blood indices. Different type of blood indices. MCB. First MCB mean corpuscular volume. MCB is mean corpuscular value. Second, MCH mean corpuscular hemoglobin, mean corpuscular hemoglobin. And third is MCHC, mean corpuscular hemoglobin concentration, mean corpuscular hemoglobin concentration. And fourth is CI, color indices. This is different type of blood indices. Blood indices is the calculation, but it is a calculation derived from RBC count, blood count, and PCG. Blood indices help in diagnosis type of anemia. Different type of blood indices: first MCV, second MCS, MCSC, and CI. Please note. Now we talk about MCV. And MCH and MCSC and CI. Correct.